Meaning of headbanging.
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 Headbanging. Headbanging refers to a type of dance often associated with heavy metal music, where the head is moved vigorously in time with the music. This involves constantly nodding the head up and down, often to the beat of the song. Over time, this movement can cause strain and discomfort, particularly in the neck and shoulder muscles. While headbanging is typically considered a harmless and enjoyable activity among fans of heavy metal, it is important to be aware of the potential risks of injury and take steps to avoid them.